Dear student, today we study relationship between Joule and Earth. Here we start the chapter, second chapter of Science 1 of 9th class, Work and Energy. In first period we study the definition and formula of work and unit of work also. Today we start a new topic here, that relationship between Joule and Earth. What is the relationship between Joule and Earth? You know that is Joule is the SI unit of work and Earth is the CGS unit of work. Joule is the SI unit of work and Earth is the CGS unit of work. But what is the relation between Joule and Earth? Joule आणि Earth मध्ये काय रिलेशन आहे? What is relation between Joule and Earth? Here, according to formula of work, according to definition, that formula of work is that work equals to force into displacement. Is a formula of work. Work equals to force into displacement, and hence here the SI unit of work is Joule, SI unit of force is Newton, and SI unit of displacement is meter. But you know here 1 Newton equals to 10 to the power 5 dyne, because Newton is a SI unit of force and dyne is a CGS unit of force, and meter is the SI unit of displacement and centimeter is the CGS unit of displacement. Hence here 1 Newton equals to 10 to the power 5 dyne is a very important matter here, and 1 meter equals to 10 to the power 2 centimeter. This value of Newton and meter in dyne and centimeter put in this above equation, ही value या वरच्या equation मध्ये टाका. Hence you know 1 joule equals to, in place of 1 Newton we put the 10 to the power 5 dyne, and in place of 1 meter we place 10 to the power 2 centimeter. म्हणजे 1 न्यूटनच्या जागी तुम्ही 10 to the power 5 डायरेक्ट टाका आणि 1 मीटरच्या ऐवजी 10 to the power 2 सेंटीमीटर घ्या. Hence here it convert 1 joule equals to 10 to the power 5 dyne into 10 to the power 2 centimeter. Make an addition of power here. 1 joule equals to, hence 1 joule equals to 10 to the power 5 plus 2, that is 7 dyne into centimeter. 1 joule equals to 10 to the power 7 dyne into centimeter. But dyne into centimeter equals to earth. Earth equals to dyne into centimeter. Hence 1 joule equals to 10 to the power 7 earth is a relation between joule and earth. 1 joule work equals to how many earth work. Hence 1 joule equals to 10 to the power 7 earth work. That is the relation between joule and earth, and is a question for 3 marks. It is necessary to write this total steps to get the full credit and 3 marks in this topic. Then you know, dear student, we can do the work. But which work is positive work, which work is negative work, and which work is zero work? For example, here we study there is different examples there. When we apply the kick on the ball, then ball can be moved to the direction of force. म्हणजे ज्या दिशेला आपण फोर्स लावतो त्या दिशेला त्या बॉलचे डिस्प्लेसमेंट होते. Again one example here, we push the car from behind, then car can be displaced to the direction of force. म्हणजे आपण ज्या दिशेला फोर्स अप्लाय करतो त्याच दिशेला कारचं डिस्प्लेसमेंट होते. Then next, if that batsman can hit the ball and player can catch the ball, here that force is applied by the player to opposite to the direction of displacement. Means the force and displacement, they have opposite direction. Many examples are there of work, and in some example, for example, one athletics is there, start from one point and moves on the circular track and again reach to that same point here. For example, this is one point and athletic can start from this point from a circular track, moves on the circular track and reach on the particular same point. म्हणजे ज्या पॉइंटवरून तो निघाला परत त्याच पॉइंटवर जर आला तर त्या ठिकाणी डिस्प्लेसमेंट हे 0 आहे. Force is applied but displacement is 0 and that is one again example of that one. Means what are the definition of positive, negative and zero work? What is meant by positive work? When force and displacement is in a direction, is in a same direction, that work is called positive work. Means force and displacement are in same direction or displacement of objection or displacement of object is to the direction of force. म्हणजे ऑब्जेक्टची डिस्प्लेसमेंट ही फोर्सच्या डायरेक्शनशी रिलेटेड असेल, इक्वल असेल, then that work is called opposite work. Then what is positive work? That work is called positive work. What is negative work? When force and displacement are in opposite direction, then work is negative. When force and displacement in opposite direction, then work is negative. When batsman can hit the ball and player can catch the ball, player applies opposite or force opposite to direction of displacement. Hence that work is called negative work. Then what is zero work? When by applying a force there is no displacement of object. No displacement of object, that work is called zero work. Means when athletics can be run from the one point, applying the force and again reach to that same point. That point is the same, starting point or initial point and final point is same. There is no displacement, then that work is called a zero work. That's all.